just fighting like trophy, Dad.
No need a video. That's another nice muskie anyway. I guess we won't worry about throwing the anchor. We're gonna drift right through this whole fucking spot though. I hate that. Oh, actually that is a nice bass, Papa. Sorry.
Holy shit.
Not too bad a one.
My muskie's better still.
Funny how it all happened.
Holy fuck.
Did you see him hit it?
Where the fuck is it?
Did you see him hit it, Bomb?
Right there. To the right, left.
Did you see him hit it, Bomb?
Nope.
That's about the same size as the one I got last year, I think.
Is it?
It's not as big as your other one.
Oh no, it's not. I almost thought it was smaller than the one you got last.
We can weigh the fucker though if you can put him on the scale.
God.
I can't believe we're gonna go drift right through this whole hole. We're gonna have to fucking motor back up.
I don't know if I got a hook ready, guys. I think I got 4 hooks in, or 2 doubles in his mouth though.
Jesus Christ. Bomber finally got a fucking muskie for fuck's sakes. There you go.
Holy fuck, you.
I think I'm gonna try and grab him.
Alright.
You're gonna grab him?
I would just grab him over the over the side, and if you can lift them up, lift them up.
The hell do you have on that first?
Yeah.
Same lure you have
That's
on
the
there.
fucking lure.
Yeah, on the other guy.
That's the lure. They like that.
Fuck, he's under the boat again.
Not bad actually.
Oh fuck.
Nice one.
What we came here for. Wow, you gotta be careful here because there's a big chunk of shit here too.
Oh fuck.
That's why I should have threw the fucking anchor out. Okay, just
You look like he's. There you go. Nice one.
We're alright. What?
Soak me again.
It's alright. Nice little muskie.
Fuck, better than nothing, boys.
Oh fuck. Well, that's what we came for. Telling you, you keep casting these fucking lures in here, guys. We're gonna catch more. He's gonna fucking flip out.
I think I got him hooked pretty good, boys, but I'm not too fucking sure.
He's a fighter.
Hard. If you're gonna grab him hard. Yeah, you're okay, you're okay. You got him. Do you want the pliers or what do you want to do? Are you gonna weigh him?
No.
Do you want to put him on a paddle? Here's the pliers. Okay. Now, just wait a minute, I'm trying to finish the video.